Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a table of contents in PowerPoint efficiently. To begin, start by opening the PowerPoint application on your computer. Once you have the program up and running, navigate to the presentation in which you want to include your table of contents. It is helpful to have your presentation open as you will be working directly within the file for a seamless process. After you have your presentation ready, the next step is to add a new blank slide. Locate the Insert option from the top menu and then click on New Slide. A menu will appear and you should select the option that provides you with a blank slide. This blank slide will serve as the canvas for your table of contents, keeping it separate from the rest of your content. With your blank slide added to the presentation, the next step is to adjust your view settings to access the outline view. Move to the View tab located on the menu bar and select Outline View. This view displays the slide titles and text in a linear format, which can help you easily manage and organize your content. When you are in Outline View, you will notice a sidebar that lists the text content from your slides. Now take a moment to highlight the content in this sidebar. Once selected, copy the text by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard. This copied text represents the various elements of your presentation that you are likely to include in your table of contents. After copying the content, it is important to revert back to the standard presentation view. Simply click on the Normal View option in the View tab to return to the regular slide layout. Once you are back in normal view, go ahead and find the blank slide that you added earlier. This slide is now ready for you to insert the copied text. Head over to the Insert tab once more and select the option to add a new text box. By clicking anywhere on your blank slide, a text box will appear which is ready to receive content. With the text box in place, proceed to paste the text you copied earlier by pressing Ctrl and V on your keyboard. The text should now appear within your text box, serving as the foundation for your table of contents. At this point, take a few minutes to add spacing between different sections and align the text properly. Adjusting the text layout will ensure that your table of contents is visually neat and easy to follow. If you feel that your table of contents would benefit from additional design elements, consider adding a dotted line or a page break. These extra touches can help separate the header from the content, or simply add a bit of visual interest, making the final slide appear as professional as the rest of your presentation. By following these steps carefully, you will have a clear and organized table of contents ready to guide your audience through your presentation. Enjoy the process and feel free to make minor adjustments that best suit your presentation style.